Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and I was looking through a box of locks and I realised I hadn't picked this one before. This is a HURD U.S.A. mid-20th century padlock, and it's just really nice. It's got a really nice sort of lozenge shape to it, just a very pleasing aesthetic to the padlock. I don't know when this was made, but I would imagine somewhere between 1940 and 1970. I could be wrong, and if you know better than I do, then please let me know in the comments. Genuinely would be really interested to know. And the key is just very much of its era. Something about these older keys, they just have a certain, again, aesthetic to them, which is very different, maybe a little more simple in its profile. And the keyway is interesting as well, sort of just like a step with very thin key pins poking through that minimal warding. And it's in very good condition. I don't think it's ever been used, but it's got a little, hear that? Notchiness to it, which isn't great. And I wonder if some of the difficulty in picking is just that notchiness, or whether it has some form of tapered pins in there. Could be a mixture of both, hard to tell. But let's throw some advice anyway and have a go. So we're in the vise, and here's the key. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin key, but when you actually put the pick in and drag it back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's all I can feel. So I think that last step is not a real cut. So it goes medium, high, low, medium, medium. Bit notchy, as we determined earlier. I have put some lock lube in, and it has made a big difference, but I think what we've got here is some tapered pins. So reasonably firm tension, pin 4's binding, pin 3's binding, little click, pin 1 there I think I've just got, back to 5 no, 4 no, 3 no, 2's binding now, 2 felt good, back to 5, no. So just release some tension. So I might need to re-pick something. Oh, just hit 5 and we're open. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. It feels to me like it's maybe tapered pins in there. Very touchy. Just needs a little gentle touch. Firm tension. Pins hang up. Need to release some tension to drop any pins that are maybe tapered. So sort of not straight, but that shape at the tip. So they can hang up in the keyway. The key pins. I don't know for sure. Like I said, I'd love to know what's actually in this, but you just need to be very gentle with this lock. It is an old lock after all. But yeah, very cool lock. Really love this one. Anyway, if you like this lock and the picking as much as I enjoyed doing the picking and playing with the lock, then hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you feel I deserve it. That notification bell as well. It all really helps my channel out and I really appreciate it. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I will see you all next time.